So I don't know if I have to wait for it to dry,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna use another brush because I want the orange to be. I'm gonna use an orange next for the vase. Kind to make it a little bit interesting. Ooh, this brush is hard. Okay, so what I'm doing is just putting it here. Oh my gosh!
What happened?
Don't drop the brush! Oh,
You can touch.
there is, but I don't think. Anyway, we're doomed. I know. The carpet is doomed, I think.
Oh, no.
I protected the table, but I didn't think about the carpet. I wish I had not done this here.
Then,
This guy.
why are you using different types of brushes?
I don't know, but he's having fun.
Even inside, you are painting.
Why? Why you need to paint the inside?
Because I want to paint it inside.
Fine. Alright. So what I'm doing here now, guys, look, I'm just trying to like make a shape like that. Like that. Problem is the black is still wet and it's starting to mix on the orange, so I'm just being careful not to overdo it too much. But it's good because it's like mixing with the black. Like that. Right? So Aiden is not following any rule, he's just doing what he does best. Doing what he wants. Yeah.
Paint your face.
What? What
Paint.
did you?
Paint your face.
No, paint your face.
It looks like a rainbow.
It looks like it could be for Halloween. Yeah, Halloween is coming up, so maybe my theme is Halloween. It just came out of my
You
mind.
be the zombie. I
To
gotta be
use
the plant.
black and orange. I don't have particular plan on painting this. So what else can we put? Can I put blue?
You
Should I put blue or yellow?
yellow.
Yellow? You think yellow is good?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Why you pink?
Pink, but which pink? This pink?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. No, this is mine.
Can I borrow? It's a bit.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Yeah, so can I borrow it? No, not the brush. The paint. Put it here, okay? We'll share.
Okay.
So, what shall we do now? Maybe let's put some here. Maybe I'm just gonna put a multicolor. I don't like the pink. I don't think the pink is working.
That's what you think.
Not so much.
He is so happy. Look at him. Even till tomorrow, he would like to paint everything.
Yeah, but he's just ruining all the paint.
Eden, enough of that. You should actually teach him how to use the brush properly.
I did. I
Just
gave
very
him
little,
instructions.
not actually dip it really like that.
I know. Just gonna do it anyway.
Eden, don't put too much on the brush, okay? Just very little.
Oh, this one dry too. This one dry.
Hmm?
This one dry too. It's hard now.
What is that, Eden?
It's hard now.
Look here, look here. It's hard.
Yeah.
Pink.
Yeah.
So I think I just made a mistake.
What did you think happened?
I think I made a big mistake putting the black all over this base. Colors doesn't show anymore.
It becomes like a brain on top. It looks like we need, you know, the brain is there on top.
It's like we cut off the head and the blood is coming from the base.
Yeah.
Really
Right?
Halloween?
Halloween base, right? I wanted to do something on the face, but it's too late. I already painted it black. I was kind of went crazy with the black. So what else can we add on this painting? Let's see. Maybe we can put. Should we put white again? See?
Where are you going to put the white?
I don't know.
In ice.
Oh, it's still wet. I wanna put like a circle here. Let's see. It works.
Mine?
God.
You beat the zombie, I got beat the plant.
No, the brush, right? The brush.
Oh, see Aiden. See, I think it's much more beautiful than this. Aiden, why you put again the green?
Because I'm a plant.
Look, everywhere video is green.
I don't know, it's just gonna do that again and again.
Aiden, enough of that. See what happened there.
Mine's the plant.
You should know when to stop.
You can do it. It's ruined anyway.
You can use green to mix ice with green ice.
No, I'm gonna make it so that this one is the eye. Okay, what else can we do?
I gotta make the ice from my beautiful face.
Beautiful what?
Beautiful face.
Beautiful face? What's beautiful?
It's like a mouth and pea shooter.
Still wet? I wish it could dry a little bit faster. Okay. What else I could add? What happened there? I don't like the brush. It has to be so nasty. I got pain in my eye. Ah, it looks like an eye.
Yeah.
White paint.
What else we can put, guys?
At the back flower.
Here?
Or not? Or ears, perhaps? I don't know.
I mean,
You just mixed my paint into white.
for me, I can say it's done.
Okay. We should know how
Right?
to stop.
So we should know when to stop, because if we put so much, maybe
It's not gonna work.
yeah, it would be overdone and it would not look good anyway. I will stop at this. Right? It's like a Halloween vase already. So it's a black head with
Blood?
blood on his on the top of his head, because it's been cut off. Yeah. And let's see what Aiden is doing. Let's mess with Aiden a little bit. So Aiden, what is this?
This a plant.
Yeah, but when is it gonna dry? After 8 years? Huh? You see how thick the paint is? Oh my gosh. So Aiden, enough of that. It's all green now. It's like a. You see what did I just tell you about doing that? Huh? What happened? You're putting snot on the vase from your nose? Huh? Look.
You should give him some tissue. I don't think he'll be able to.
Good.
Oh, he got something on his head. Black from you.
You got booger on that.
No, it's not booger, it's black paint.
Look at that. Let me see. Let's go.
Ayan, dyan. Happy aging plant. Doesn't look like happy. No, it's not me. Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so thanks for joining us for today, and hope to see you again in on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you on our next videos. Alright, bye bye.
Goodbye then.
Bye then.